Good morning, dear students. I hope you are all fine and you must be completing your studies, all the written work and the assignments given by the teachers. I had given you the topic yesterday, that is a triumph of surgery. That is the first chapter from Footprints Without Feet. So as we are revising, you have already read this chapter. Today we will revise the chapter again. Now, you all know the story. I don't know how many of you remember the story. It is the story of the author himself, who was a veterinary doctor or a surgeon, and James Herriot. And he has written in his books about his experiences with the surgeries that he did on the various diseased or sick animals. His books are like semi-autobiographies because they are written by himself, but they are not about him. They are just about the experiences with the animals that he used to face. Now, in this story, he has written about a dog whose name was Tricky, and he belonged to Mrs. Pumphrey, who belonged to a rich family, and or rather you can say that she was an affluent lady, and therefore you can understand when she was very rich. She used to take care of, or rather over care for her dog and overfeed the dog. One day when she was going for a walk with the dog on the street, they both were spotted by Mr. Herriot, and Mr. Herriot pointed out that Mrs. Pumphrey was overfeeding the dog, and the dog was to be taken to the hospital for care. And in this way, it was taken to the hospital, and the surgery was performed, and Mr. Herriot cured the dog, and the dog was finally very well. It had to be taken back by Mrs. Pumphrey. So in the story, we are not reading about just an experience of the author or the veterinary doctor, but we are also supposed to understand how we are supposed to treat the animals. So dear children, we are supposed to take care of the pet animals, and not only the pet animals, even the stray animals or the domestic animals which are around you, you can certainly take care of them. This is what this story tells us, which is an experience of Dr. Herriot, who was a veterinary doctor. Now, in this story, as you know, that there was a rich and affluent lady, Mrs. Pumphrey, who had a pet dog, Tricky. She used to take care of the dog so much that she hardly did realize that she was overfeeding it, and due to that, the dog was taking a bad shape. It was becoming fat and fat. Now, you have already read the story, so I hope you remember the story that this dog was becoming sick, and therefore once it so happened, when it was going along with his mistress on a street, Mr. Herriot or Dr. Herriot spotted him and found that the dog was not well. He told Mrs. Harriet that the dog had to be taken to the hospital because Mrs. Pumphrey was overfeeding it. Mrs. Pumphrey's love for her dog was so much that she did not like the idea of staying away from her pet dog Tricky. But on the insistence of the doctor, she finally agreed, and the doctor took it to the hospital where he had to perform a surgery. Now I'll take you back to the title of the story. The title of the story is A Triumph of Surgery. So you all know that triumph means victory, to be successful. And as you know, at the end of the story, we come to know that Tricky gets well and is taken back by Mrs. Pumphrey to her house. Both Tricky and Mrs. Pumphrey were very happy, and Mrs. Pumphrey therefore thanked Mr. Harriet for the kindness and the care that he had taken. Now, what do you deduce from this story? We conclude and come to know and come to realize rather that we must take care of the animals, but also take care that they don't become sick because of our overcare. We should love them as they are very loving creatures and very faithful too. If we just pamper them, then they can fall into a trouble, just as a Tricky was in a trouble because of the overcare taken by Mrs. Pumphrey. Now children, I hope you must have heard about PETA also, which is People for Ethical Treatment of Animals. This is an organization which takes care of all the animals, the stray, the wild, the domestic. It's a kind of organization which takes care of the right of animals, and they also need to live. They also need to be taken care of, and they also require all the health facilities when they are sick. In a nutshell, or in a way, I would tell the central theme or the central idea of this story is that the author wants to say that these animals which cannot express themselves by their speech, they do express themselves, but we need to understand them, and hence we need to save their innocence. So that's all with the story, students. Now I will be sending you a PDF of question answers. Please do write all the question answers in your registers and keep following the video. A Triumph of Surgery, the summary. The story starts when Mrs. Pumphrey, a rich lady, takes her dog out for a walk. A nearby veterinary doctor who knows the lady sees the dog and is shocked as he sees that the dog looks like a bloated sausage with a leg at each end. He advises her to stop giving him unhealthy things to eat, but Mrs. Pumphrey is not able to refuse him. Soon he falls sick and the doctor is called. The narrator, Mr. Harriet, then somehow takes Tricky, the dog, to the hospital, even though he knows that Mrs. Pumphrey is not ready to leave her dog and nearly fainted just by hearing these words. Then he takes the dog along and puts a bed for him in his surgery. The dog does not move much and nor eats anything for the first 2 days. On the second day, he looks around and whimpers a bit. He wanted to go out on the third day and started playing with the bigger dogs when he was taken out. He also looked the bowls of other dogs clean on the third day. Then his condition started improving very fast. He started fighting for his meals with other dogs. Then, when this news reached Mrs. Pumphrey, she started sending him eggs as she thought that Tricky was recovering from an illness and needed energy foods. Mr. Heriot and his partners started eating those eggs for morning breakfast. Then, for improving Tricky's blood, Mrs. Pumphrey started sending in bottles of wine, which was again consumed by Mr. Heriot. He used to take 2 glasses before lunch and some more glasses while having his lunch. Then, when he started sending in bottles of brandy for Tricky, that was the time when Mr. Heriot thought that he would really like to keep Tricky as a permanent guest in the surgery. Mr. Heriot used to be really happy someday by having 2 extra eggs every morning, then having few glasses of wine in the afternoon, and closing the day by having brandy at night. So, dear students, this is the summary of the story or the chapter, A Triumph of Surgery. And you must have really enjoyed it. I wish everybody finishes and completes their written work. Thank you.